Okay, let's talk about the absolute basic hardware setup for doing work in the makerspace. Check out this Apple computer, and check out this Windows computer. You're gonna need a real computer to do this work. You can't do it on a phone, and you can't do it on an iPad. Mac or PC, start with the computers we've got in the makerspace, and eventually secure your own. Okay, this is a 3-button mouse. It's got 3 buttons. It's got a left button, it's got a middle button, and it's got a right button. The middle button looks like a wheel. It is a wheel. You can roll it up and down. It's a 3-button mouse, and you should buy one. They're about $7, and they make your work modeling things in 3D significantly easier. Please don't use the trackpad on your computer to try to do 3D modeling. This is a USB cable. It goes to my mouse, and I'm going to plug it in, but look at this, it doesn't fit because my computer does not have this USB port. So I went ahead and got an adapter, and I'd recommend you do the same, something that accepts USB and adapts it into USB-C if that's all your computer has. This is a USB drive. It's a little hard drive that lets you store files on it, and I recommend you buy one. This one's clever in that it's USB on one side and USB-C on the other. I really think these little drives are the quickest, most efficient way to get your files off of your computer onto several of our pieces of hardware. This is a micro SD card. Some of our equipment uses micro SD cards as the way to get files onto it. Micro SD likely does not fit into your computer, so you're going to want to use a micro SD adapter. This adapter gets the micro up to the full-size SD card. My computer's got a slot for SD cards. If yours doesn't, you might want to think about getting the SD to USB adapter. It's amazing that stacking this technology inside of itself 3 times over still somehow works, but it does. This will let you get your files onto the micro SD card and onto our equipment that needs it. That's it for the basic hardware needed for this sort of work. Really just get to the makerspace, get started, and then start thinking about how you want to put together your own hardware gear package.